Hi, I'm Luke. I'm a maintenance fitter here at Pure Foods feed mill. I completed my apprenticeship as a Cert 3 mechanical engineer. A part of that was a dual trade as a fitter welder. My role here is to keep all the equipment, machinery running from day to day, keep the production on track to make sure we get the feed out for the birds for the farm. If we have a breakdown, we have to fix immediately or get it back up and running as quick as we can to ensure the production of the plant. Just recently we did a machine rebuild, a major rebuild on the pellet mill here. That was a 3-day project for 3 fitters. That machine is now running and running really well. It's running with its specifications for the manufacturer, and we're really happy with it. I did my apprenticeship with Certificate 3 with mechanical engineering. Predominantly back then I was working in the food industry for dairy, cheese, milk production. Later than that I moved on and worked for myself doing plant installations, a lot of large equipment. I was able to use my past experience to transfer into the milling industry to work on this equipment quite easily, or get kicks out of trying to fix something that other people can't. One of the things that I enjoy about my job is the challenge of keeping old equipment running, keeping new equipment running, and the satisfaction of achieving a goal and at the end of the day doing what we're here to do. Any advice that I would give would be just to have the general mindset to have a go at any role, do the best you can, and from what I've found is you just work out your path from there.